Started today another late. Wait, today late? Not really. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I went to bed at 4. Oh man, busy day, busy day. I'm already running late. Probably ain't even gonna be able to meet the boys, but it's whatever. After going into Target, well, Ross and then Target, I finally got everything. So here it is, 8 a.m. I've got a cart full of ice. I bought a chair. I bought a cooler. Oh, I almost hit the car. And I bought ice. Oh, that shit's heavy. Sick. Get out of here. Question is, do we have enough gas? Half a tank should do me. I can make it to Houston on that. I'm pretty sure I can make it to where I'm going today. Is my autofocus not on? All right. Let's turn that on. Yeah. Wow. I'm sorry, the shots probably been dog. Damn, Carlos. Ooh. Jeez. We are stupid deep. I gotta hear this thing. What the fuck? Hold on. Sheesh. All right. Dang. They hit you? No. He said the piece of the diffuser came off on the highway. Hey, this wrap is nice. I knew you were gonna do purple. I knew it. I don't think this is a VQ. I mean, maybe I'm going crazy. We got an LS1 from a C5 in here.
I'll take it.
Damn. How bad was it? What is that? Hey, is that real carbon?
Yeah. Is it real carbon? I don't know.
Find me some chips, man.
SpongeBob's under ears.
Boom. These are the best Doritos ever. We are super deep, bro. There is a nice line of us. And the reason we had to stop back there is because the S2K we're rolling with, his diffuser came off on the highway. Or it was scraping on the highway, so we had to pull over and he had to figure it out. But we're still heading to the show right now. Pulling up right now to Texas Motorplex. Bro, there's probably a half a mile line of cars in front of me. And all the boys are pulling up behind me still. This is crazy. Sheesh. You can see how beefy the line is. Really curious to see what cars these are. If you know me, you know my favorite, only besides Nardo, my other favorite two colors are China Blue and like cream sand color. And that looks like a 350 or 370 that's in like sand. Sheesh, the thing's nice, bro. We just made it to the show. We're still getting in here. It's real slow. There's a lot of cars. I did not think the show was gonna be this big, and there's like all kind of stuff. I thought it was just an import show. There's trucks and just overland bills. Y'all seen a G-Wagon over there? There's, I mean, NSXs, Evos, BMWs, like there's everything. There's a clean Supra back there. So I'm confused though, because some of the guys are paying for a show ticket to get judged. And some guys like me, I mean, this G is not show ready whatsoever. So I don't really want to get a judge ticket because I'm not gonna win anything, because this thing is not gonna win anything. But, and it's kind of dirty, so it really ain't gonna win nothing. That wash I did yesterday was horrible, but there's, I mean, it's just to give you a visual of all the way until the intersection is just our group. When I get in there, I have to find this truck, bro. This is a sound truck. It's literally got the fucking doors bolted shut. Like the windshield is replaced by plexiglass. Do you know how loud this truck probably is? I gotta hear this. Gotta hear this. Oh, dang, two-step. First of all, the cam in that Camaro, I mean, what? The cam in that Corvette sounds nasty. Second of all, there's an Acura Legend over there. It's my first car. That's a sedan though. I don't like the sedans too much. That's an R34. Our group starts way up there with the S2K and then goes past all these cars, the G37, the Genesis, all of that. My boy Dope 350Z behind me with the LS Swap 350. And we got a few more cars back there. We've been trying to get it. It's probably been about 45 minutes. I've been sitting, just getting from over there, from the gate to here. All right, bet.
Oh, he put the VQ cover back on it.
She a little warm.
Oh yeah, it's a little warm under here.
Let's see how wide this Miata is, man. This thing here. Ooh, those are Avant-Gardes too. Toyo Proxy. I can't read it. Oh, 275. What? That looks a lot wider than 275. That's what I got? No, I don't. I got 255. Eesh, look at the sparkle on this bad boy. This G37 is nasty. It's famous, boy. Let me LS swap my shit, man.
We're too cool for him.
Man, I'm finna walk around and see. Hey, this color though, such a vibe, bro. I'm finna just walk around, see what else we got. See what else we got here. The flake in that. Jeez. Paint? Damn. Did you do it? Yeah, I did it. It was a good job. That shit's. What's the color called, or did you make it up?
No, I just got a black base.
Yeah.
And then I put the pearl into the clear.
That's what's up. I love this color. I need to fix my white balance, but this is like an off-white cream color. If you know me, like I said earlier, my 3 favorite colors are cream, Nardo, and like a light China blue that come on the AMG GTRs. But this is definitely, my next car will be this color. I thought about wrapping the G this color, but I was like, no, I just got it painted. I'm not gonna pay to get it wrapped. But it's deep out here, man. So many people, it's like a chill vibe. Like everybody's out like barbecuing with their tents and their homies. Like, I gotta come to a lot more of these. I'm so glad it's show season again. This is I think this is one of my first shows I've come to like this. One thing I'm starting to notice is like a lot of the stuff that I'm seeing, like I've seen around before. Like at different shows or just like out and about. Oh, this is Q60. I also thought about upgrading to one of these. It's pretty much the new version of my car. It's the new coupe. Oh, he's got the carbon fiber steering wheel in there. Nice tint too. I need to get my car retinted. Carbon fiber wing. That's nice. But also this Scooby-Doo mystery machine. I know this thing has to be terrifying on the highway. Now this is what I'm talking about. Some Alpines, 1,000 watts. This is mint. I really don't like this color on Mustangs. That's like just kind of like normal and boring. But this interior is super fresh. Those Brahms seats. Yeah, this is nice. The guy has a full carbon interior on this Mustang with the Starlight red headliner. Sheesh. I love these like bright random colors so much. This is gorgeous. This is like a peach with like a bunch of sparkle in it. This thing is mint. Call me crazy, but this is a Tacoma, not a Tacoma, Tundra, right? Gorgeous lift kit, all that, all the good stuff. But are those Silverado mirrors? These look like 2500 Chevy mirrors. Nice build though.
You? Ya sé, ya ves qué.
I never even showed y'all the other half of the squad. We got the Jetta. We got the other G. Like, it's crispy. He's got the multicolored halos in there too. Sheesh. And then we got my boy. Oh, my boy Carlos goes nuts with the purple G. He just got it wrapped probably like a week ago. I didn't even realize he got his headlights redone again. Not only are they RGB now, you got the whole housings in white. Got the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber eyelids, purple grille, all of that. The black chrome, the other homie in his maroon G. I think his is wrapped too. This one's fresh. With the carbon fiber door handles. Look how they wrapped it though, so where it's like just the front of it out. Then he's also got these taillights. He's custom like Halo, the GTR style taillights that he does custom. So if you want, if you have a G and you're looking to get some custom GTR style with the Halo headlights, you can just send your headlights, taillights to him and he'll do them for you. I think I'm gonna get mine done on a G pretty soon. I'm gonna buy my other headlights back again, and then I might do these. This is the S2K from earlier where the diffuser had a problem. He had to pull over. But this thing sounds just nuts. I think it's turboed. I might be wrong, but I think it's turboed. But yeah, the diffuser was scraping on the highway earlier, so we had to pull over and take it off and stuff. But it's mint though. This thing is just angry looking. Super wide Mustang GT. It's a 10-speed. Everyone's got this. Everyone's doing the sparkle, the pearl flake wrap. Got the embossing in there. Jeez, look at the dish. Even the wheels are the same color. Dang. Interior, he's got some Alcantara on the dash. He's got airlift suspension. Wait, is that a sub box? He's got a sub box right in the back seat. Okay. And he's got tire airlift system in the trunk. Boy is always talking to people. Are always asking him about his car, man. The LS Swap 350, bro, gets the most attention at the whole show. My guy is famous. Dude's doing monologues every 5 minutes. Anyway, this is a clean Supra right here. Right-hand drive is JDM imported. Sheesh. Dang, this is like, when you build a Supra, I think this is what it should look like. Not to mention this Evo. This is like, if I ever built an Evo, this is what it would look like. It's got a tube. Is that a, yeah, it's got a roll bar. And got the red interior with my favorite color exterior. It's like sand, army tan. The R34. I seen this one drive past us earlier, but I did not see this one.
One time, he's got a brand new.
Illegal. Look at the license plate. Oh! I physically cannot hear anything anymore. Oh, this G is fresh. Bro, there they go again with that black sparkly. I don't even know.
I like the paint on this
God damn. I felt that on my face. What the? So what size is it now? It's stock. It's stock and it shoots like that? Bro, what, is it just a tune?
Yeah, it's too. My alpha speed.
Oh, dang. You have a map for it? You have like a flame map? That shit's loud, bro. Okay. Nah, man, he can't keep doing that, man.
Oh, that's what? Oh, you shot him!
Why you do that to him like that, bro?
Shot him!
Bro, he's pissed. You should have. Oh my God. Hey, look. Hey, you better win. You about to do another one? I'm setting the camera down. Don't do it yet.
Hold on.
I'm setting. Oh my God. You just had a flame as tall as me, bro.
The last one was fucking insane.
I have no idea if this thing can even still hear me because I'm pretty sure I blew the mic out this camera. This man's car right here. Guys, he's going right here. He's back right here. I'm blocking off the phone now. I think my camera's broken after that exhaust explosion. You gotta beat the Civic, okay? The Civic has won like 3 of them. You gotta beat the Civic. You gotta beat him.
We're going to be safe, we want to be slow, and let's see what happens here with this beat. Let's see what happens with this beat. All right, so
someone on the front!
He's going to hit by about, I'm going to say a full inch. A full inch. Let's go ahead. Let's see where it hits. You're good. It's going to hit. About an inch and a half on the, okay. We have that mark pretty much where your windshield ends. We're gonna see what happens with our white meat. You want anybody to get on there? Because, man, if you want to win, you better put some people on there because the ride height that you're at, are you kidding me? You weigh 9 pounds and you are gonna freaking...
So today was crazy. I finally made it home. Still got this wristband on. I need to take that off and get in the shower. But today was awesome. I did get up super early. I barely got any sleep last night. We got up at like 7. I mobbed out with the guys all the way to the track where we camped out. Had a pretty cool show. You guys seen what happened. My ears are still ringing from that 2-step. I don't even know if I'm gonna get my hair back till tomorrow, but that was wild. It was a pretty cool day though, I'm not gonna lie. It was my first real big show I went to, so it was pretty cool. Stay tuned for the content I have coming next week for the channel. It's gonna be some pretty dope. I got a pretty cool car, or cars, I'm gonna be showcasing. I'm gonna go visit one of the guys again. Haven't seen him in a while now, and I got some pretty good content coming for you. So if you want to see that, subscribe, hit the notification button, like, comment what you want to see next, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next one.